Transform your car audio experience with the HVMLAK Bluetooth aux adapter. Here are some unique features that make this device a must-have for any driver. Cut the cords. Turn your classic car or home stereo system and amplifier into a wireless wonder with the HVMLAK Bluetooth aux adapter. It is easily paired with most Bluetooth-enabled gadgets, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Bluetooth 5.3 and 12 hours battery. The Bluetooth aux adapter for car boasts Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable connection, even in tricky environments. Its power efficiency extends battery life to 12 hours, allowing you to relish your favorite tracks or long chats without power concerns. Hands-free calls and wireless tunes. Answer calls hands-free with the built-in enhanced mic of this aux Bluetooth adapter. Utilize the central button for seamless call handling or to redial the last number. Wirelessly enjoy your beloved music or audiobooks. Tailored audio control. Shape your audio journey with our user-friendly aux to Bluetooth adapter, featuring adjustable volume and track controls. Enjoy an obstacle-free Bluetooth range of up to 66 feet and automatic reconnection to your last used device. Versatile rotatable audio jack. The HVMLAK Bluetooth aux receiver features a unique and practical 180-degree rotational audio plug, which is perfect for tight corners, gives you the flexibility you need in any compact spaces. Seamless connectivity, superior sound quality, and effortless control all in one sleek device. Click the link in the description to order yours now. Enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity and a clutter-free dashboard. Give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. Thanks for watching.